Hello, Namaste, Salam, Vadakkam, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. This is Neetu Srivastav once again appear before you in online class where I am going to teach you all children English 1 lesson number 12. But before it, I would like to wish you all happy and prosperous new year 2021. Children, you all are today's very surprised that why ma'am is wishing you all in different style by using different language? Of course, because children, today is the theme of your English 1 lesson 12, My Little India. So, on the mobile screen you see the map of India. In this map, people of different states of India. India is the most popular country in the world and it is also famous for its unity in diversity. In India, children, there are 29 states and each state has their own mother tongue. The people of India is from different states, they wear different dresses, they eat different food, they celebrate different festivals, but first they Indians. On the mobile screen, I am sharing you many pictures one by one, and all pictures related to our country and shows its unity in diversity. Like different dishes of India, different people wearing different dresses of India. One more picture I am showing you on the mobile screen Indian people from different states. Except this, I am going to share you two more videos related to two different languages of India, Punjabi and Bengali. So let's see. Oh, balle balle, oh, shaba shaba. Hello, friends. I am Sukhwinder. I am from India's most popular state, Punjab. Do you know, children, in Punjab, which language people talk? Of course, they talk in Punjabi. Oh, balle balle, oh, shaba shaba. Oh, balle balle, oh, shaba shaba. Namaskar, I am Pratima. I am from India's most popular state, West Bengal. Do you know, children, in West Bengal which language people talk? Yes, they talk in Bengali. So you have seen two different languages of different states of India. Except these more languages are Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, Urdu and Malayalam. These are also important languages of India. So let's proceed lesson number 12, My Little India recitation and explanation. Children, you are seeing on the mobile screen lesson number 12, My Little India. Before starting its explanation, I would like to give you a small summary. Children, before this, whatever pictures I have shown you, all pictures related to this lesson, My Little India. It is a poem, and through this poem, you can see the differences, the different states, different people, different language, different dresses of India. And poet also compares his small class with the small little India. So let's proceed. First, I will recite the poem paragraph one by one. My class is a little India with friends from everywhere. They speak in different languages that sound funny to my ear. What a imagination! So many languages from places far and near. Hindi, Telugu, and Marathi, yet the same smile they share. They sing in different languages. They sing beautiful songs. What a imagination of the poem. Children, let's proceed to the next paragraph. In Punjabi, Tamil, and Malayalam, but together they dance along. My class is a little India with friends from everywhere. When I speak in my language, it sounds funny to their ears. So, children, what an imagination of the poet. So, let's proceed to the first paragraph explanation. My class is a little India with friends from everywhere. They speak in different languages that sound funny to my ears. Poet says that His class. He compares his class with a little India. You know why, children? Because the classmates or friends of his class are from different states, from different places, and they speak in different language. And he also says that when they speak, that sound funny to his ears. Now go to the next paragraph, and in this paragraph you also see most important thing, like, see children, so many languages from places far and near, Hindi, Telugu and Marathi, yet the same smile they share. They sing in different languages, they sing beautiful song. What an imagination. Poet says his classmates or friends, they use different languages like Hindi, Telugu and Marathi, and they live and they are coming from the different places far and near. But when they show their smile, we can't differentiate that they are from different places, they are using different languages. Even though when they sing the song, their songs sounds look same. What a beautiful song they sing, means we can't differentiate them that they are from the different places and using different language. Let's go to the last paragraph. In Punjabi, Tamil and Malayalam, but together they dance along. My class is a little India with friends from everywhere. When I speak in my language, it sounds funny to their ears. Means, next word says, when they dance, when they perform in different style like in Punjabi, Tamil and Malayalam, they look same. At last poet says once again that his class is like a little India. You know why? Because his friends and classmates are coming from far and near places and they use in different language. But poet also laugh because when he use his language, it sounds funny to theirs. It means when they use his own language, his language sounds look so funny to his friends. So children, thanks for watching English 1 lesson 12, my little India video part 1, and wait for my next video where I am coming with the book and copy work. Children, your homework, you recite and learn the poem properly, and stay home, stay safe, take care of your health, and whatever work teacher gives you daily, you follow. Okay children, thank you once again. Bye bye.